Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making a chocolate hazelnut cake, indulgent cake worthy of birthdays and celebrations. Or who are we kidding? This year can make this for any reason at all. Let's get started. First, we're going to make our chocolate hazelnut ganache, which is equal parts of simmering heavy cream and chocolate hazelnut spread such as Nutella. And then you want to go ahead and chop up your chocolates, Kit Kat and Baci Italian Kisses, and I definitely recommend chilling the chocolates before working with them so that they're easier to work with. If you do not have Baci Kisses, what you can use are chocolate hazelnuts, like a chocolate hazelnut bar or any other hazelnuts will do. Now for the chocolate hazelnut buttercream, just delicious buttercream frosting. What you're going to do is use your buttercream recipe and then add chocolate hazelnut ganache to that. You're also going to reserve a little bit for your filling. I will have the exact recipe linked in the description box below. Go ahead and smooth a little bit on your plate. Put half of your vanilla cake that you've already baked and cooled to the bottom, and then go ahead and pipe around the edges, because what you want to do is you want to create a barrier for your chocolate ganache in the center to kind of like keep it all in place. Then you want to spoon your chocolate ganache filling all over, and then you want to have your chocolate chopped Kit Kat pieces, Baci Italian chocolates chopped and ready to go ahead and fill into this. Seriously, this ganache is so easy to make. 2 ingredients, and then you could use it for a filling. You could use it as a cake topping. Look at that silky glossy finish. You could use it for so many different recipes. It's become my quick favorite. So after you've put your ganache on there, go ahead and top it off with your bite-sized chocolate pieces, your chilled Kit Kats, Baci Italian Kisses. You could use the Ferrero Rocher hazelnut bites. Again, just plain hazelnuts will do if you don't have that, or hazelnut chocolate bar. So there you have it. Now layer your second layer of cake, and I went ahead and spread a little bit of buttercream underneath just to kind of make it stick and press down gently, which I didn't show in this clip, but go ahead and continue with the buttercream. Buttercream is kind of soft to work with now, which is fine, which is exactly what you want it to be. You're going to do one layer with the soft buttercream, and then you're going to chill and continue. So go ahead and work it all the way around, over top, around the edges, sealing in any cracks, smoothing out all around the cake. I've used a little scraper here to smooth out any surfaces. And then you want to just remove any excess and continue until you could work the cake all the way around. I've used vanilla cake for this recipe, but you could use any flavor you like. So after chilling your cake and your buttercream for at least 30 minutes, once you bring it out, you see now the texture and the consistency is thicker and firmer, and it is much easier to smooth and work with. So now fill in all the gaps, and you'll start to see that it does cover and it works beautifully. So now I'm just smoothing over the layers. You can see kind of a little bit of a shape over there because of the chocolate filling. If you don't want that, then go ahead and kind of make your chocolate filling go into the cake a little bit. Now for the fun part, Kit Kat chocolates. I mean, have your chocolate cake, but make it Kit Kat. Why not? Especially this year. I'm saying you can make a cake just to celebrate or for any reason at all. And placing Kit Kat all around a cake for a birthday screams happy celebration. It's just one of those things that is just fun and almost nostalgic, because something about these, snack size pieces of candy just takes us back to our childhood. I like to leave a centimeter in between each one, and the reason I do that is because once you slice into it, it makes it much easier for slicing. So the Baci Kisses go over top to finish, and there you have it. You have your chocolate hazelnut cake with Kit Kat. Chocolate hazelnut cake with buttercream, ganache, and Kit Kat. It's a crowd favorite worthy of any celebration. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.